going to build a jar today, a quinoa jar.
I know. So we've been building jars lately during our support group that we have through Juice Plus. And I was trying to come up with something different because we do salads, we do oatmeal, we do burritos, soup, we do soup.
We've done ramen.
We've done ramen, which is really good. Some of my favorites. I came across these quinoa in a jar. I think we've done those before.
Yeah, I think we did it one time.
Right.
But this is more of an Asian take on it. We didn't do that, so I like this.
I do love Asian.
Yeah.
So we made a simple, light, like a peanut dressing, minus the peanut butter. So we used PB2 Fit, which is a dry, powdered, peanut.
Yeah, peanut powder.
Peanut butter.
Yeah, peanut powder.
Peanut powder.
And say that 10 times.
Say it, peanut butter. Peanut butter.
Peanut butter. And then coconut sugar.
And some coconut sugar. We've got some garlic, rice wine vinegar, some ginger.
A little bit of sriracha, a little salt, and a little canola oil.
Yep. There you go. Right here.
So that's our dressing. And we're just going to put a little bit of that in the bottom. Is that right?
Yes. We'll start with the dressing in the bottom. And then you're going to put your kind of your hard, crunchy veggies next. And then you just kind of build up to the softer ones.
And we're going to kind of go to the top with this, right?
Well,
Is that the thought?
These are a little bit bigger jars than probably what's needed. So I would just do
just a little bit.
Just a little bit.
And we're going to put these, our raw broccoli, our raw yellow pepper, kind of our carrots, all of those things we're going to put down in the bottom to kind of, so that they can kind of sit in the dressing.
Yes.
Right?
Kind of marinate a little bit. So.
And then we're going to put our softer, like our edamame, our avocado, our zucchini, things like that, right?
Excuse me for
No,
reaching.
you're
yes.
fine.
I'm going to do my carrots next.
Is that kind of our thought process?
Yes.
When we build our jars, that's kind of how we do that. This is a little bit of a napa carrot. I got the carrot. I did get carrots still. Thank you.
Not a big carrot person.
Not a big carrot person, but I like the color and I like the nutrients, the beta carotene. So I'm gonna have some little napa cabbage.
Little napa cabbage. Nice fiber item right here.
And then I'm gonna get a little edamame. Love edamame.
Excuse me for reaching.
No, you're good.
I'm gonna do some zucchini. So I just shredded up the zucchini just to give it a different texture than I cubed or sliced.
A little avocado, a little fresh avocado. There you go.
I think I'm gonna do this next. Edamame, which I think both our sons love snacking on that.
Yes. Oh my gosh. And then you just cooked up some quinoa.
I did. I cooked it up in a little veggie broth.
Ooh.
Because I always hear people say that they don't like quinoa, they don't like the flavor of it. So I find if you cook it in veggie broth as opposed to water, it just, I don't know, I just think it tastes better.
That's smart.
Plus, you need to make sure that you're rinsing your quinoa before you boil it.
I don't always do that.
Yeah, you should always rinse it.
And then just a few cashew. I didn't put any kale in, did you?
I'm gonna put a little kale in.
Okay, I'll put some on top, just because I don't want you to have a better jar than me.
Well, it is good for you.
I know.
And I had her cut it out really, kind of small.
Well, I
pieces.
tried.
There you go.
I'll just do a little on top for.
And then I'm gonna do. Did you do cashews or peanuts?
I did a little bit of each.
I have done.
Sweet potato.
Oh,
We forgot the sweet potato.
probably our favorite part.
Okay, like I can't believe I forgot the sweet potato. Well, I can just have that on top. It's totally fine.
So I just cubed up the sweet potatoes, tossed in a little bit of olive oil and some salt, pepper. And
I think this is going to be my lunch here.
well, I'm gonna make a couple of these and take them home for the week.
Yeah.
So this is something that you can do on a Sunday. Prep all this. I actually do it with a friend. I've had friends over and we've each pulled a couple ingredients, and then you have 2 or 3 meals for the week.
Absolutely, and we don't have any meat in here, but you could add that. You could add chopped eggs. You could add chicken. You could add shrimp. I mean, so if you wanted to do that, but this is a great meatless. There's plenty of protein in here.
Oh yeah.
We've got our quinoa. We've got our nuts.
You know what I forgot? I did bring a can of chickpeas over.
Oh.
So I would normally put chickpeas in here because I usually try to do plant-based. Forgot about that. But that's okay. That's
you
okay.
could add that. I mean, you could add any bean
so
to it.
quinoa is high in protein, right?
Yes, and it's got fiber too, so it's delicious.
It's like a superfood.
Yeah, I mean, all of these are.
Look how cute these are. Look how pretty they are. Cheers. Cheers. Look at that. Yay. So excited.
Well, and yeah, we'll make a couple of these up and we'll have a couple healthy lunches. So when I run in the door for running errands or tennis, I will have something I can grab that's good for me rather than something that's
And
not
for
good
me, I bring it to the restaurant
Yeah.
so that I have something healthy I can grab as opposed to the French fries that are in the bowl on the line as you walk by.
And you know, this would be kind of fun to do with your kids. You know, you can let them pick what they're going to put in theirs. You could add different ingredients. I mean, this is kind of an Asian flair to it, but you could put anything with the quinoa. So, and it's super easy to cook. It's just like rice. So, highly recommend it. We're going to have to do one of these live once we can all get back together here shortly.
Yes, yes. So we'll post the recipe for the Thai peanut dressing below. And hit the big red subscribe button, please, and share our videos with your friends. But we'll see you on Facebook, and
yeah, happy healthy eating.
bye.
See ya. Okay, that was so fun. Yum. Yeah, I'm gonna make